Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make and download a video on Canva. So all you need here is just an account, and you can also have a free account here. But if you want their premium subscription, you will be provided with premium elements as well and premium editing. So let's get started. So create a design and select video here, and you will be greeted with this section. So as you can see here, you can select the templates here on what video you want. If you want to use the Pro, you need to have a premium Canva subscription. But thankfully, there are other free Canva elements here, or templates, video templates that you can use for free. And these are very editable, guys. So all you have to do here is just position them as you like. You can also add another video, another page. As you can see here, it's all up to you basically. So you can also lengthen the video. You can also add another video. Like that. And you can also use their elements here, so you can put whatever you want here over the video. If you want other designs, you can also add text here. That basically it is all up to you. So okay, you can explore different kinds of designs here. So it is very up to you guys, and this is completely free if you don't have money for the premium subscription on Canva. So for example, you are done with this, so all you have to do here is click on share in the upper right corner here and click on download right here. You will be asked what file type you want. You just need to select MP4 obviously because it is a video, and select the pages. If you want the page one only or both pages, you can do so as well. And you can also save the download settings if you want, and you can also adjust the quality if you are on premium, but since we are not, we can't do that, so just keep that in mind. So you just wait for this download to finish and you should be good to go, guys. So there, guys. Okay, so once done downloading here, so let's just finish the download. And let's open that and see if it works. And as you can see, guys, this is the video we've downloaded. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.